Today's video will be showing you exactly how to install a new EGR valve on your 3800 series engine. Now, it's pretty simple to do, but there are a few steps you need to do before you do this. And step number one is disconnect your battery. Both the hot and negative needs to be completely disconnected, so when you plug your new one in, it starts a new reading over. It can reprogram itself and stuff like that. If you don't do that, you will have issues after you install this. So just go ahead and unplug your battery. That gives it plenty of time to discharge, and while you're installing this, so when you hook it back up, you'll be good to go. So do that, then we go to your next step, which you need to remove your cover if your engine got one. Once you get the cover removed and your battery disconnected, which again you need to do because it resets the voltage values to your EGR valve. You got two bolts. We done sprayed these the other night with penetrating oil. Here and here. Now we have removed this several times and cleaned this unit, but after about 10,000 miles it gives us trouble again. We got to take it off, clean it again. So we're just going to replace the whole unit, and should be a whole lot easier. Once you get penetrating oil, unless you're going to try it without it, spray it on those. Go ahead and get you a 3/8 ratchet and socket.
And it's 13 millimeter.
And it's a 13 millimeter that you will need to remove this. Go ahead and unplug the top sensor. Just like so. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Sometimes these can be a pain. Just hope they don't snap off. But penetrating oil has helped, and when we had to clean this in several times, we done had it off a few times. So that's the factory one. Let's compare it with the new one. It looks about the same. This sticks out a little bit further down than this one does. That shouldn't affect it. The design looks about the same. Plug-in is the same. So if you're looking for one of these yourself, I did do an unboxing video of what all comes with it. But it's EGR valve. It's around $30 on eBay. Comes with a gasket. So let's go ahead and just get ready and install this. If you're using your new gasket, you can basically just set it down on here like so, but you got a problem. Can you guys see? If you got the same one as we do, it's not fitting the bolts. This is not exact fit. It is actually cheap quality. So what you need to do is either use your factory gasket back or elongate these holes here, because this is a factory gasket. And you can see that our hose needs elongated this way and out some. So yeah, this factory gasket that came with the kit, I guess you would call that a factory gasket for that thing, will not work. But it will fit this. Will it even fit on that? Does the gasket they send on the $33 EGR even fit the EGR? Yeah, it fits. Just not on our car. And when it fits, it's got these elongated holes. So we went ahead and we used a factory gasket that was on the car. It was still in good shape. If you ain't got it, you may have to make a trip to AutoZone or Advance Auto and pick you up a gasket for your EGR valve, because the one they sent you is not a good, decent replacement gasket. It goes on the same way you took it off. Now you want to tighten these up a little at a time, move from side to side, because you don't want to put all the force down on one side at once and tighten the other side down, because it can make it try to tighten like this and crack the whole side of the EGR valve off. So we're going to go ahead and install this. And a trick with keeping your bolts Put you a little piece of paper in it, and you know, it'll help hold them tight, keep them from falling out.
Yeah, you don't want to lose these. They're easy lost.
You can torque these to spec, these EGR valves. Don't want to over tighten them. That's what a gasket's for, guys. Like I said, move side to side till you get it snugged up good. Then plug it back in and we hook up your battery. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Now if you do use this part that we use, do know it's very low quality. It's $33, it's on eBay. It don't say where it's made, guys. So very low quality part. Be careful when installing it. It's made out of like low quality material, so it will be easy to damage. Do know that, but they do work. But if you can't afford it, I highly recommend going with a better quality part from your local parts store, not this eBay one. Save you some headache. Maybe it'll last longer. Maybe this will go forever. Who knows? It's the first time I installed this, but you can tell it's low quality from the gasket they put in the kit and the way it was assembled. If you compare it super close and pause in videos, you can tell it's got the middle portion squished. The bolt on the bottom that I noted was not exactly in the right spot. That's the factory wants stuff like that, and you know, just poorly assembled. But if you did find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like, leave a comment. I enjoy hearing from everyone, and I always try to reply back and show you support for my channel by smashing that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it if you do, and thank you for watching. See you next time.